Today, mostly cloudy conditions with 25-mile-per-hour winds. Ugh, look at that pollen. Can you believe that? Look at this. All over the table. It's even all over the deck. Look how nasty that is. You would not think that today was going to be this windy, but guys, it's so windy outside. Look at the trees behind me. This is just crazy, guys. Unbelievable. Look at the wind. 21 miles per hour winds. This is just crazy, guys. I don't even know what to say. It's just really super windy. So I really thought today, guys, was going to be the day. Today is April 30th, 2021. And if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, guys, it's 9:43 p.m. and guys, it's still windy. It went down from about 21 miles per hour to about 18, 19, but I'm sure you guys can hear the wind just cracking through these trees, through these leaves. Guys, it's still really windy. Let's take a listen. So check this out, guys. I actually got a clip at my daughter's softball game today. They still played with 21 mile per hour winds today. Unbelievable, guys. Check out the clip of me not trying to blow away. 999 public watch hours, almost at 1,000.